I'm Eliza with Ancestral Evolution, and today I'm going to teach you how to make easy keto-friendly mayo in just a couple minutes. Mayonnaise is an emulsion, which means it's a mixture of fat and water that's held in a solution. And we have two emulsifiers in our mayonnaise. We have our egg yolk, and we have Dijon mustard. Both of these function as emulsifiers and help hold the water and the oil together. Here we go. There you have it, homemade mayonnaise in less than 3 minutes. You can also make this with avocado oil, or if you're feeling extra decadent, with bacon grease. Mayonnaise is awesome because there are infinite variations. My top 5 variations on mayonnaise are: number 1, adding fresh garlic to your mayonnaise. Number 2, adding pesto or fresh herbs. Number 3, adding horseradish. Number 4, adding chipotle peppers, or number 5, adding lemon zest. There are many, many more, but this is a good place to start. Enjoy your mayo.